7 days in a row. Have you tuned in all 7 days? This is day 7. If you haven't, feel free to subscribe, like the video, and go check out the other ones as soon as these 2 minutes have passed and you're done seeing these awesome Disney Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn, now it's upside down, cards. So, it's day 7. I hope I'm in heaven with an enchanted foil. Double queen again. You saw day 6. Queen outside, queen inside. Let's see what we got. And here we go. We have Ghidorah, Cusco. What did you call me? That's a Radigan. Improvise. Cruella de Vil. Cinderella. Knight in Training. Got a couple of those already. Uncommon Belle. Uncommon Fairy Godmother. Uncommon Zero to Hero Hercules. We got a rare weight set. We got a super rare Cheshire Cat. And we got a rare foil Pinocchio. That's pretty cool looking. I like the purple in the foil. Alright, that's day 7, folks. I don't know, should we spin the wheel again? Or should we just keep going? Day 8, day 9. Well, find out tomorrow. Subscribe, tune in, and check out to see if I kept going or not. Have a blessed day. If you want to check out any of the other videos, look at these links right here. Right. I'll be here in a second. Hey, if you're interested in subscribing to the channel, click on that button right there. That'll take you to my channel. You can subscribe right there. And while you're at it, once you're done, you can click on this button right here. Show you another one of my interesting videos.